Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Hey guys, we're back again. We've been gone for a couple of weeks because I had my knee surgery, total knee replacement on my right, and today I'm feeling a little better so I can get up and move around and do something. Bill says it's about time you get up.
I plead the fifth.
Yeah, even though I have been doing stuff. So it's not like I just been laying around.
Yeah, she's been washing dishes. And
washed 2 loads of clothes yesterday.
Yeah.
Getting up, doing things. All right, right into it. We are making lemon crumble bars, and I'm going to make the crust first. So it is 7 tablespoons of butter going in. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I want to thank everybody for the cards and the prayers and the well wishes. Appreciate all of it. Teaspoon of vanilla. 1 cup of just all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we mix that up. And we're going to have oats in it. So I got 1 cup of just old-fashioned oats. I'm not using the quick oats. It calls for the old-fashioned. But if you have quick, use them. Use what you got. That's what we say. All right, we'll pour those in. May have to get my mixer out just so I can get it all mixed up real good.
Where's it at?
Right there beside the, right there. There you go. Yeah, I think I will, so I can get that butter all mixed up in there. Thanks. Well, let's pause while I get my beaters out. All right. We got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. All right. So we're going to press 2/3 of this down in the bottom of an 8x8 pan, prepared pan. I have sprayed it. So 2/3 of it is going in there.
Move your mixer, babe.
So, there we go. I'm thinking that looks good. You could probably use a 9x9 if you want. This recipe called for 8x8, so that's what I pulled out. I usually use my splatter one, but I didn't this morning. So we're going to put this in 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. And then we'll be right back and make the filling. All right, we're making the filling now. So simple, guys. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. 14 ounces, I believe that's what that is. Get all that out of there.
Ooey gooey goodness.
Sweetness. Bill's been making ice cream. He got an ice cream maker and he got it like it was the day of or something like that of whenever I had my surgery. And I'm laying in the hospital the next morning, 8 o'clock, he's already got ice cream on. Like, what? He couldn't wait. He's been making all kinds. He made maple, pecan.
Butter pecan.
Butter pecan.
Strawberry.
Strawberry's my
peach.
Yeah. He made coffee.
Yep, chocolate.
He ain't afraid to try stuff.
I'm not.
All right, so 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make it pucka. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest going in. And that's it for the filling, guys. If you want to stop there. But I have a few blueberries in the freezer. That's only like 10. I'm just going to stick them in there too because lemon and blueberry. Better get them out of my freezer.
That'll be like the lemon blueberry biscuits you made.
Oh,
those were fantastic.
Yeah. So that's it for the filling. So when that comes out, we're going to pour this on it and the remaining of this and bake it some more. And guys, remember, I only do easy ingredients. There's no AI here. If we have a fail, it's on here, so
yep.
I don't fix it.
Mainly because you don't know how.
That's a big part of it. Yeah.
But we keep it real. Yeah, I think it's good. If you leave the failures in,
yeah.
It shows you're human. You make mistakes like everybody else.
That don't show you, though.
No, they don't show you. We do.
All right, guys, we're going to pause here and be back when the crust comes out. All right, guys, got my crust out of the oven. It was in there for about 14 minutes. Then I made the topping, the filling, I guess I should say. And it's just 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and then I had about 10 blueberries in my freezer I just stuck in there. Because, you know, lemon and blueberry are the ultimate.
They do seem to go together.
So, got that in there. And now, we are just going to put the rest that we saved, that we reserved. We're just going to put that right there on the top. Just like that. Now we're going in the oven for 20 to 22 minutes. And then we'll be back. It'll smell so good, bacon. All right, going to do the taste test. It was in the oven about 24 minutes or so. And it's still hot because, you know, we can't wait. But it's warm. It's not hot.
My coffee pot making noise.
You can eat this for breakfast, guys, because it's oatmeal.
Yeah.
And it's good for you.
Yeah.
Guys, it's delicious. Very few ingredients. Everything you should have at the house. No need to go to big extravagant stuff. Simple stuff. That's all we do here. Here's the whole thing. Yum. I'm telling you, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow and hype. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.